So, as always, it's going to sound weird. Think of a crying diva of a woman. You think open yawn, cry like a diva, and then vocal fold closure. And it's not I'm not doing that for that full classical sound. Cry, 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 wishing you some. You want that feeling of that open, I haven't warmed up today, sorry, but that open throat at the back, and it kind of feels like the air is going that way and that way. You're in that yawn, and then you're in that cry for the tilt. I hope that helps. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know.